everyone! Happy 160th years anniversary Seventh-day Adventist Church with the theme, I am chosen for a mission. This Sabbath morning, May 20, year 2023, the brethren have gathered to celebrate the 160th founding anniversary of the Seventh-day Adventist Church with the theme, Chosen for a Mission. Brethren from different churches came here at Inihawan Seventh-day Adventist Church as the host church.
Mapagpalang araw ng Sabat sa Ambil District ay pinagdiwang ang 160 years na selebrasyon ng anibersaryo sa sanlibutan bilang kaanib ng Seventh-day Adventist Church. Bilang isang district leader, ako po'y nagagalak na pasalamatan ang paglilingkod ng mga kapatid galing sa 6 na iglesia ng Humble District.
The brothers and sisters have shared the history of evangelism in the province of Romblon, as well as how the churches were started here at San Jose, Romblon.
Happy Sabbath mga kapatid. Ako po ay si Rode Magsipok as a 7th-day President of SISDAP. Ako po ay nagagalak na kung saan po ay naabot po namin itong 160 years na kung saan ay anibersaryo ng ating Iglesia Seventh-day Adventist. Lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos na kung saan ay narito ang buong kapatiran ng buong distrito sa ulit mga kapatid. Happy 160 anniversary po sa inyong lahat.
It is truly important to know the significance of history as it is the reason why we are here knowing and preaching the gospel. Without these people who are behind the scenes, many of us might have been lurking in the darkness of this world. Verily, it is a well-spent Sabbath, my dear brethren. This is Nika Joy Pablo from Humble District.
I am chosen.
I am chosen for mission.
I am chosen for mission.
I am chosen for
I am chosen for a mission.